Okay, so in this video I'm going to teach you guys how people frame pictures on a wall using Photoshop. How people frame client pictures on a wall using Photoshop. You might think the pictures are real, but meanwhile the pictures isn't real. The pictures are not real. So I'm going to teach you guys how it's being done and how they do it. So all you have to do is to locate where the pictures are. Make sure you select the pictures, drag them into the Photoshop, and we are going to use this picture as the client picture, this picture as the client picture, and this picture as the model. So we are going to fix the frame over here. We are going to fix the frame over here. Please, if this is the first time you are watching my video, kindly subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment if you don't understand any step. So all you have to do is to make sure you create a new layer for this picture, and that's Control J. You create a new layer for the picture. You can see it is copied here. It has given us a new layer over here. So after creating a new layer, you press Control C on the keyboard to copy the picture. After that, you come to where the frame is, then you press Control V on the keyboard as well to paste the picture. As you can see, the pictures are pasted over here, and we are going to make sure the picture is well framed in the frame. The picture is well fixed in the frame. So you press Control T on the keyboard. As you can see, if you press Control T, this one will enable you to make sure the pictures are well fixed to where you want. So as you can see how I'm doing it, you drag the edges, then it will fix the frame very well. So as you can see, it's being done by now. So I'm done, but it's not well done. So as you can see, we have to clean the edges for the picture to be well framed in the picture, in the frame. So we are going to clean the edges a little. So we are going to use the eraser tool to clean the edges. So the eraser tool, we're going to use this one to clean the edges. As you can see, I'm cleaning the edges. It's very simple and very easy. Please, if this is the first time you are watching my video, kindly subscribe to the channel and make sure you watch other videos on the channel. So as you can see, we are done fixing the picture in the frame. So it's now time to fix the frame in the picture of the model. So all we have to do is to size the frame here, then we copy it and paste it at where we want the frame to be. So as you can see, we use the Macquarie tool, the rectangular Macquarie tool. So as you can see, the rectangular Macquarie tool, that's the M. When you press the M on the keyboard, it will give you the same tool I'm using now. So after you are done, you are going to select the background. You have to know we are working on the background and not on the picture. So this is where the frame is and this is the picture. So we are working on the background now. So after here, we press Control J to create a new layer for the frame. So as you can see, Control J for the frame now. So we can remove this background here. So you can see it's now left with the frame. Very simple and very easy. So we select the pictures here, then we paste, copy and paste it at where the picture is. So we are going to paste it over here. So Control V to paste it. Then after that, we make sure it is well fixed in the picture. So After the Control V pasting, we are going to press another Control T on the keyboard to make sure we size the picture very well on the wall. So as you can see, we are now going to size the picture on the wall. So over here we are going to make sure we darken the picture very well so that it will look natural and look real as well. So we press Ctrl E to merge the pictures together, then we press Ctrl L, that's the level colors, to darken the picture a little. So as you can see, we have darkened the picture a little, so it's now fixed. Okay, so we are done. As you can see, this one looks very real and very natural, and it's very easy to do it. You can do it, anybody can do it. Please, if this is the first time you are watching my video, can you do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button? Make sure you like the video as well, then you comment where you don't understand. I'll come back making a video of how it's being done. So as you can see, the picture is well fixed on the wall now, so we have to lower the opacity small so that it will look natural a little. This is it. So we are done now. This one looks more perfect, this one looks more real than anything. You can send this picture to anyone. The person might be thinking the picture looks real, but meanwhile the picture is edited picture. So thanks for watching. Please, if this is the first time you are watching my video, kindly do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment where you don't understand. Thanks for watching. We are out.